Hello, everyone. I guess it is recording. It was frozen on my screen. This is Heidi again. I want to discuss some more booking games that you can play at your parties. And I'm going to do 3 that I hope are short. I don't want to go too long on these videos. So one of the other games that I want to talk about is the key fob game. It's really not a game, but it is something that can possibly get you some parties. So, what you do is at the beginning of the party, you will put 3 key fobs on your hostess's arm, around her wrist, or maybe you hook them all together, but somehow you get them on your hostess. And you explain to everyone that at any time during the party, if they decide that they want to host or book a party with you, they simply go up to the hostess and take one of those key fobs. And by taking the key fob, they are getting one of the key fobs for free when they have their party. And then you go on to tell them if all 3 of the key fobs are taken, the hostess will receive $10 to spend at each of those parties, and each person who booked will get $10 additional credit when they close their party. Now, you don't have to offer $10. You can choose to offer $5. You don't have to offer any money. It's whatever you're comfortable with doing. Maybe you're just getting started out and you don't have a lot of extra money, and that's okay. Tweak it, make it work for you, okay? So, the point of this is your current hostess wants something for free, so she's going to be trying to book parties and convince her friends to do that. So that's one of the ones I wanted to mention, and again, that's the key fob booking party. The next one I want to talk about is the mini purse game, and what I mean by mini purse game is I bought last year, I believe I got 2 dozen of these little mini lipstick purses, and you can order these online. You can get them at mygirlfriendshouse.com. That's where I got them. Or if you want to price shop, just go on and Google mini purses or mini lipstick purses. There's a bunch of different names for them. But what you do with these little purses is you put prizes inside of them. And it's, again, whatever you're comfortable with fronting to your guests. So some things that I have put in there is $5 off an order over $35 or more. I've even gone, $10 off an order of $75 or more, over $65 or more, because you kind of want to give them a reason to keep ordering. I've done free key fobs. I've done free personalization up to $8. And then obviously you want to put multiple book a party inside those purses. So I usually ask the hostess how many guests she's expecting at her party. And then I will try to have a few extra mini purses with prizes in it, just in case. So then what you do is, and I put, I don't know if you saw it before, I put my mini purses in this, it's an older product. It's kind of like the all-in organizer, just shaped a little bit differently and has a little bit of extra pockets on it. But I put all my little purses in there with the prizes, and you pass it around and tell everybody, take a purse, but don't open it yet. Sorry, I was looking at my dog. She's chewing a bone. I was afraid she was chewing a mini purse. So you give everybody a purse and tell them, do not open it. And you tell them there's 3 ways to play this game. The first way, see, I'm telling you, this screen confuses me. The first way is you open the purse and you accept the prize inside. The second way is you return the purse. You don't really want to play. And the third way is you upgrade. Before you open this purse, you agree to book, or you choose to book a party. You will receive the prize inside, and you can also keep the mini purse. And if your slip inside the mini purse states book a party, you will then receive $5 off an order of $35 or more. Or again, it's whatever you would like to offer. And so then you'll go around the room, and I also like to tell them, hey, no hard feelings if you don't want to book a party or if you don't want to play this game. It's okay. You want to give them you want to ease their mind that there's no pressure. So then you'll go one by one, Sally, what would you like to do? Do you want to open your purse and accept that prize? Do you want to return it and not play? Or would you like to upgrade that prize? And you do that with each person. And make sure if you can remember mentally who's going to book a party, that's great. If not, have a piece of paper there and just say, okay, Sally, we'll talk at the end of the party, and we'll get that party booked for you and get you some free products. And then I want to mention, if you don't have mini purses, and there's my dog whining, if you don't have mini purses, you can use envelopes. And the only thing I would say is that, if they choose to open the envelope, they, agree to accept the prize inside. They can return the envelope, or they can upgrade by accepting the prize inside and also getting $5 off their order that night, should it say book a party inside. Does that make sense? They really don't need to be numbered. These were actually for a different thing that I did, but I wanted to just kind of show you. Envelopes aren't that expensive, and you can reuse them. All right, so that is the mini purse game. And then the last one I want to talk about tonight is the left-right game. Okay, mini pause there, and now I'm going to continue with the left-right game. And this is super fun. I have not personally done this one, but I've seen it, and it cracks me up because the guests really get into it. So what you will need for the left-right game is a small 31 product, a zipper pouch, maybe an mini storage bin, maybe a Little's carry-all caddy, whatever. And you can put mini trinkets inside, key fobs, nail files, pens, whatever you have. And my dog's ringing the bell to go outside, so I have to pause again. I'm back, which you probably didn't even notice I was gone. So back to the left-right game. So as I was saying, now they suggest a 31 product that closes. So probably a zipper pouch or mini zipper pouch would be the best bet for this. And you're going to fill with little trinkets and read this left-right story that you can find on TOT, but I will also post a copy of it on the files here on the Facebook group, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a minute. The other option, if you're okay with it and want to do it, is you can choose a mini zipper pouch, or, excuse me, you can choose a mini zipper pouch or a regular zipper pouch or a Little's carry-all caddy, hi Bristol, and tell them that as they play this left-right game, at the end, whomever's holding the product gets to keep it. So you're going to read the left-right story, and you're going to tell them when they hear the words left or they hear the word right that they're going to pass the product in that direction. So you're going to probably want them to sit in a circle. And whoever has it at the end of the game, I have a tickle in my throat, I'm so sorry, gets to keep the product. Or if you're choosing to put trinkets inside, they get to pick a trinket. Go to your dollar store if that's the avenue you want to take, and just pick up little things. Okay, so I'm not going to read the whole left-right story, but I'm going to just read part of it here so you kind of get the gist. So I left my house today and headed right over to Jane's party. I just knew I was headed in the right direction for fun. I arrived right on time and set up my display right over there, and you can point to it. You all arrived and sat right down. Thank you for coming. I am going to get right to work and tell you all about our wonderful company. And then it goes on and on and on and on. Well, I shouldn't say on and on and on. It's one page worth. But it's a lot of fun because you'll see the girl, maybe even towards the end thinking, oh, I've got this in the bag, and then boom, one more time you use the word left or right. So again, I'm going to post this on the files on Hanging with Heidi and Jody, and right now I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to my Facebook page, which is right here, and all of your groups. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I'm so tired. It's only 7:30. All of your groups are going to be listed over here. You can see shortcuts, and I'm going to pick more. And here's Hanging with Heidi and Jody. Or another option is to scroll down under the Explore section and choose Groups. Okay, so once you click on that, then you are going to find your group, or find our group rather, Hanging with Heidi and Jody, and you're going to open that up, and you can see over here the word files. So you will just click on that, and I don't think there's any files yet. Oh yes, there is. Jody has put some files, so you can see what's up here right now. And like I said, I will add these files to this group so that you guys can print them out, edit them, whatever the case might be. All right, I'm going to sign off and be looking for at least one more, possibly two more videos discussing booking games. Have a great night, guys. Bye.